Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Untitled Chapter, and today we're going to be looking at Killmonger's dreadlocks. In other words, Michael B. Jordan.
I'm good. We won't be good.
Michael B. Jordan has featured in many movies that have been hard hitters, including Creed, Fruitvale Station, Hardball, and with the most recent release, Black Panther. This dude is killing it, and honestly, he's one of my favorite actors. So as you guys do see in the title, you guys have definitely requested it. You wanted me to do a review on Erik Killmonger's dreadlocks. So these are real dreadlocks, and this isn't actually the first time he is having dreadlocks. Well, not Killmonger, but Michael B. Jordan. This is his second set of dreads. So I was looking at some pictures and I found that he used to have braids, which he also wears braids now, which I thought it was pretty funny that he used to have long hair. His hair was actually really lengthy and he would always wear cornrows. So this is after he featured in the Hardball movie, and I'm assuming that this is during some light work that didn't really hit the surface, but now you can just see that his acting career has blown up, especially with the help with everyone surrounding him. But enough about his whole career. We're just going to talk about his dreadlocks, how we got him, his hair type, everything that he does to maintain them, just according to what I see and what I really think. So let's start out with his hair texture. What hair texture does Michael B. Jordan have? He, I believe, has like a 4A to a 4B, around that range, maybe even like a 3C, but I'm feeling more of the 4A to the 4B. I wouldn't say it's a 4C because his hair isn't super thick. It's not beady like African hair, but it is definitely thick and coarse just like African hair. So that's definitely why I got the conclusion of 4A or 4B hair. Now, what is the method on how he got his dreadlocks? Since he does have 4A to 4B hair, the easiest and the most efficient way, and it looks really good, is twisting with gel. And you could just tell with his dreadlocks, they're very maintained, very well put together, and overall it just has a twisting with gel look. Now that also leads me into maintenance. How does he maintain his dreadlocks? It's easy as well. He does it with twisting with gel, especially being at the rank that he's at. He has people that he can pay really easy and they can do his hair for him. Not saying that we can't do that either, but he does have more access to that because during movies he's always in hair and makeup, and during these films he's getting groomed to fit the character. Erik Killmonger does have dreadlocks, so he definitely fit the character very well. So we did break all this down as hair type, 4A or 4B. How did he get them? With twisting with gel. How does he maintain them? Twisting with gel again. With his hair being 4A or 4B, it does make it easy to twist with gel and have your hair turn out. If your hair is less than that, you can still do it, but it's not as efficient. So if your hair is more on the straight or curly or wavy side, it is better to go with another method to get dreadlocks. Like if you look at Lil Pump, how he got his dreads, if you look at someone who has straight hair, it looks totally different. Even though Lil Pump doesn't have straight hair, he does have like a curly hair to him, but he did use a different method. It just all comes with your hair texture. But you guys have not yet seen Black Panther. I need to go watch it for sure. I'm definitely gonna watch it soon. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Let me know how you think about his dreads. Let me know how you thought about Black Panther as well. If you guys are a part of the team, go ahead and comment down Ammunition. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.